Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to be showing you some fidgets that are actually like real life. Like example, like if there was like a banana, like that's real. Or like a panda bear, like that's real. So let's get started. So this octopus flippy, real because octopuses are real life. This, no, because I don't even know what it is. Duck, of course. Koala bear, yes. Shark, yes. Bat, yes. Football, yes. This monster guy, no. That's no pile, that's yes pile. Nice, just make that a little bit. Among Us, no. Well, that's a video game. Well, it's not real life, like it's in real life. A pineapple, yes. Rainbows are real, so probably. Worms, yeah, worms are real. Dinosaurs used to be real. I don't know, would they still be in their real? I'm just gonna put in yes because they used to be real. Peas. Yeah, peas are real. Oh, birthday cake is real. Oh. Monkeys are real. Kitty cats are real, for sure. Cake is real. Cats are real. Oh. Another pea popper. And those are peas, so it's real. I think this is an octopus, so it would be real. Unicorns, they're actually not real, so put in.
Well, they might be, like back in the time.
Yeah.
They might.
This is a kitty cat. No, I don't actually think they are. This is either an ice cream or a cupcake, so, but it's real. A teddy bear. Among Us, not real. They can hear me. Paw prints, well, it's actually kind of real. Yeah, it's real. French fries, real. Sorry, I accidentally put in. Pineapples are real. Another dinosaur thing. I think they're real. I don't really know what happened to this. Hello? I don't even know what this is. It's a monster, so probably no. Dogs are real. Duh. Light bulbs are real. Kitty cats are real. Game controllers are real. Game controllers. More birthday cake. Yeah, that's real. Popcorn, real. More French fries, and of course French fries are real. Watermelon, that's real. Kitty cats are real. Pineapple squishy is real. Well, pineapple. Why did I say squishy? Snails are real. kitty cat's real. And another kitty cat. No. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys, if you could hear that. Just a notification. I actually don't really know what this is. Hello. I think this is like I think it's a dog. So it's real. This is a penguin, so it's real. A square is not real. Well, it's like not real life. This Orby squishy is not real. Well, this is like an animal. I don't really know what this is. I'm just gonna say it's not real because I don't know. Let's see. I don't really think there's anything else. This isn't even a fidget, so yeah. And all this stuff is not real. Anyways, you guys, that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So this is the real pile, and that's not the real pile. But anyways, bye guys. Thank you so much for watching.